Viewer, it's a picture. We are going to edit that picture here. I will make the selection on half of the image. So let's select the features to edit it. Use the gradient map. I will try to use all the available maps here. So we can take it according to our requirement and suitability. So I will go with that one. Made it okay. Then remove the selection on the other side. Here are some filters. We will find it. I will go with that filter. So use a paint there. Thank you for